I'm going to run wireshark now, which captures packets going in and out of the computer. So I'm just going to begin wireshark. Yes, continue. And now I'm going to go into my command line. I'm going to type ipconfig release. Now that should get rid of my IP configuration. Now I'm going to type ipconfig renew, and this should go out to my DHCP server and give me new IP addresses. We'll wait for a moment. There it is. And I'm going to go to wireshark and stop the capture. And as you can see here, I have DHCP filtered out, so we're only seeing the DHCP packets. Here you see the release that I did. My computer is 10.0.0.103 and the DHCP server is at 10.0.0.1, and so it released that information. So now when I typed renew, it started out by going to the DHCP server. Now it doesn't know where the DHCP server is anymore. It doesn't have any information in the setup about that server, and so it has to do a broadcast. And since it doesn't have an IP address, it said, hey, my IP address is 0.0.0.0 and the destination is the broadcast address, 255, 255, 255, 255. Just go out there, look for a DHCP server. This is called the discover step. Now the server responded to me. It says, hey, I'm 10.0.0.1 and I'm going to broadcast back an offer to you of an IP address. And my computer said, hey, that's cool. That's, by the way, called the offer. My computer then says, that's cool, so go ahead. I'm requesting that address from you. Again, it still doesn't have an IP address, so it just broadcasts that out for the DHCP server. And finally, the DHCP server responds back again with the acknowledge. And it gives my computer its IP address. We'll find that address down here in the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol ACK. If I look down through here, we should see the address. Here it is, your client IP address, 10.0.0.103. So it did give it out, and my computer is now all happy. Let's do an ipconfig all, just to make sure, and sure enough, there's all the information, and there's the address it handed out to me. You need to know that process. I call it the DORA process. Discover, offer, request, and then acknowledge.